This video, I'm going to go over something very valuable. It's how I started making money from my YouTube channel starting from day one without being monetized. In fact, when people start on YouTube, and even a lot of YouTubers, they think that to start getting paid using YouTube, you have to be monetized by YouTube. But what if I told you you could start getting paid the very first day or the very first week using YouTube without being monetized by YouTube? What if I told you that I did that? Really quick, I created this second YouTube channel, the one I'm talking on right now to you. So my first YouTube channel, I grew it to over 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. And in 90 days, I created a coaching program, a course, and I made over $10,000 doing that in 90 days. So I'm here on this channel now to give you all the value, all the details, all the behind the scenes on how I did that and how you can also do it yourself. Now, the biggest mistake that new YouTubers make is thinking that they have to wait for monetization through YouTube. They think that the only way for them to get paid is waiting for YouTube AdSense. Look, in reality, I got 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, but a lot of people go way past 30 days and it takes them forever to get 1,000 subscribers. And don't even mention the 4,000 watch hours. That's a long time for people to be watching your videos. If you're not getting attraction and you're not getting people staying on your videos, 4,000 watch hours is going to take forever. That could take you years. So instead, this is what you need to do. You need to deliver value quickly and build trust very fast. That's why you need to choose a niche, okay? So choosing a niche matters because you're going to find a specific gap in the market somewhere. It's going to be something that you're interested in, that you have knowledge about, something, and then you're going to insert yourself there in that niche and you're going to start delivering value and solving a problem for people. For me, the niche that I picked was because it was something that I was already doing. So I have a laser engraving machine. So I make Christmas ornaments and table signs and door signs, door hangers, wall signs, things like that. So I was teaching people how to do that at a high level like I was, and to begin working with schools, businesses, organizations, and fundraising and doing things like that. So I already had knowledge in that, and I was just teaching my knowledge I already had to other people. But there's another way you could do this too. Say you don't really have the experience in doing something, but you do have knowledge of this thing. So there's something out there, what's called, okay, I was called the expert in that situation. The inverse or the opposite of that is a knowledge reporter. You could be a knowledge reporter and basically learn as much as you can about someone else's experience and then teach that to someone. If you need more details or need me to go in depth on that, comment below and I'll be happy to make a video about choosing your niche. So now when you pick your thing, you're going to want to teach something valuable to people. People pay for knowledge. YouTube is just like a big search engine, and I think it's, quite frankly, it's the best search engine out there because you type something in, you're going to get the answer, and you're going to get a video. And you're not going to get one video, you're going to get 1,000 videos. You have ratings on the videos, how many views, how many likes, comments, things like that. You know who's going to be at the top. And then also they're going to put the best video at the top. Now the next thing is you want to solve a problem. So in my case, like I said, the problem was that there are people who have laser cutters, laser engravers, who have it and they've like given up or fizzled out. They didn't know how to make money. They didn't know how to contact schools. They didn't know how to contact businesses. They were doing one-off orders. I was teaching them how to do bulk orders and fundraisers. So like you want to help somebody, basically you want to help somebody to improve their life in some way. So if you're doing health and fitness, help them to lose weight, help them to eat better, help them to lose their brain fog, help someone to run a marathon, help someone to train for a marathon, help someone jump higher. Whatever it is, you want to help them to achieve something valuable, something that's going to improve their life. And then naturally, with the YouTube's new algorithm, you start creating content about this and you start using the right titles, thumbnails, descriptions, tags, things like that, then YouTube is naturally going to know who to show your content to. It's going to show it to the right people. Now look, I started making videos that people wanted. You know, this was based on content and questions that people were asking on Google, asking on forums, They were asking on other YouTube channels, other YouTube videos. But then here's the thing. I started making videos and then they started commenting on my videos, asking me questions. So all that did was give me unlimited content. I could just keep pumping out stuff, answering questions. I would make a video, then there would be more questions in the comments. I would make more videos. So communicate with your audience, speak with them, answer their questions. It's almost hard to fail. So now look, I came to a point where I grew the audience. I had lots of people wanting to work with me, wanting to know more, asking me questions. They were looking at me as the authority. I'm the expert. So they were looking at me and they wanted help. So then I created another way to help them. And what I did was this. You can do any type of calendar schedule program where you can put a link up and have them click your link and then they can somehow view your calendar. What I used was Calendly. Okay, you may have heard of Calendly. They click your link and then they can look at your calendar and look at all the days that other people had scheduled with you already. So then I paired that with Zoom. So Zoom is like a FaceTime type of deal where you can do meetings virtually through a face call. So I did Calendly, I did Zoom. I only used the free versions. This is the awesome part. I didn't have to pay for any of those up front. I started making money right away. So I would offer a free discovery call and then I'd figure out what they wanted. Then I would give them a coaching call for a price. And then I would also offer a month-long, well, 1 month to 3 months coaching programs. So, and then that was it. I monetized my channel. I started taking coaching calls. I started selling coaching packages, month-long packages. I'm talking thousands of dollars. And I had not been monetized officially by YouTube yet. I hadn't made one cent off of a Google ad. Look, I found that people pay for speed and clarity. So whatever it is that you know, whatever it is that you want to offer it. Please just go for it. Because if you're an expert, which you don't have to really be an expert, you know, all you have to really be is 1 or 2 steps ahead of somebody, and then they want to know how you got where you got quicker, speed and clarity. They're willing to pay. Something that I learned years ago was this. If you have something valuable, if you have some valuable knowledge and it's in you and you're scared to get it out there, you're doing a disservice to the people you're supposed to be serving. So go ahead and just get that out there and start serving those people, start helping people because you have something in you that people need. All right, so really quick, I'm gonna give you 5 steps that you can follow right now to accomplish what I accomplished. Now look, it's gonna take you time. It's simple, it may not be easy, but it is simple, you know? And I say it may not be easy because you gotta be consistent, man. You can't give up. You gotta persevere. You gotta figure this stuff out. It's gonna take some trial and error. You just can't give up. But here's the 5 simple steps. Step 1, you wanna pick a niche where you can offer value. Step 2, you wanna make content where you can help people solve a problem or multiple problems. Step 3, set up a simple way to book calls, to book and make the calls. So like I said, I used Calendly to schedule the calls, and then I used Zoom to do the FaceTime calls. And I guess it's not called FaceTime because it's not Apple, but it's a face call. Step 4, you gotta mention your coaching in every video. Somehow you wanna do it like in the middle of the video, just slip it in there, or you do it at the end of the video. You gotta be strategic with it because if people aren't watching your videos all the way through, then you can't really wait till the last minute because they're not gonna know because they're clicking off. So if you do have a lot of retention and people watching your videos, go ahead and mention it at the end of the video. But step 4 is mention it in all of your videos and put the links in your description. And then step 5, you want to engage with all of your viewers. All right, so when you do that, it increases trust, and then it makes people want to come and engage with you because they know that you're gonna talk back with them. It makes people wanna come and view your videos, and if they have questions, they'll feel good enough to comment below because, hey, he's gonna be answering my questions. Okay, so look, if you're ready to start making money from YouTube, start applying these steps now. And if you're interested in making money right now and you're not monetized with YouTube yet, comment monetize, and then I'll create more and more videos on how you can do this. And also hit like and subscribe if you want to get more content like this. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for being here. Bye.